Hi everybody, Brian at Custom Classics. Here behind me today I have a beautiful 1965 Pontiac GTO. This car was delivered new in February of '65 to Webster Pontiac out in San Diego, California. Nice clean car, very solid, still wearing all of its original sheet metal. As we look at this vehicle, and as you'll see in our photos on the website, it's had a frame off restoration. Frame is beautiful on the thing. I'm the type of guy that looks for the pinch weld marks everywhere, and all of them that I can see are all still there. Nice, beautiful turquoise color. The paint is a urethane base coat clear, wet sanded buff smooth. It does have the original parchment interior. Car does have the rally gauge package in it, which it would have. It does have the correct white shifter ball, so the exterior color is correct and the interior is correct. I do have Pontiac PHS documents on this car, so you can view through that as well. It is a 389 tri-power 4-speed, so it does have the WS marking on the block, which would be only for a car that's a 389 4-speed with the tri-power. So that's kind of cool. All that is correct. Its numbers matching. We've gone through everything on the car and done a full service on it as well. When you look at the fit and finish on this vehicle, chrome is beautiful. Stainless is beautiful. They did a nice job all over the vehicle, as well as setting gaps on doors and hood and stuff like that. You know, in those early 60s cars, sometimes they can be a little wide. This one's wearing some updated wheels and tires. These are 15-inch on here. They fill it out a little bit nicer. I do have the correct 14-inch rallies with the trim rings and the center caps. That goes with the sale of the car, as well as the PHS document paperwork. So all the way around, super nice car inside and out. Just a beautiful example for a 65. So take a peek, look us up on the web, look at all the photos. If you have any questions, give us a call. And don't forget to look us up on all of our socials, Facebook, Instagram, and the webpage. Thank you.